welcome to Drive with Care. I am going to take us on a country road drive. We're going from Hawkinge to Temple Ewell, so through the Alkham Valley. Why? Because I want to. It's kind of on the way home, backwards route, but I haven't done it in quite a while, so keeping the channel alive, doing lots of videos. It's difficult to see because I've got all the cars parked on the right there, but someone let me out, which is good. Someone was racing along there at a crazy speed. My channel's getting quite a bit of traction because people are sharing the drives, and I think sharing is one of the algorithm traits that lets your channel get a wider audience. I know the likes do, comments really do. Every time someone makes a comment, YouTube says, "Oh," perhaps not in that kind of voice, but Mr. Bean, "Whoa." But it recognises the channel has got momentum, so it keeps pushing it out. So yeah, like, comment, share. In the meantime, we leave Hawkinge. I will read out road signs, not like the previous video where I was trying to highlight all the, hazards and everything. Anything really jumps out at me, I'll let you know. Lost my microphone then. That will not do. You want to be able to hear me, don't you? Roundabout, nothing to my right. Straight across. Indicate off. Into a 50 zone. And then we'll take the Alkham Valley Road. National speed limit. Clear to my right. I don't think this will take long, 10 minutes max. Height restriction is 6 miles, but we know it's the train bridge at the end where Kearsney Abbey is, the train bridge. But it is national speed limit, and there's no one in front of me. Exciting times. I can do 60. And I am. Makes the journey quicker as well, as it happens. Under the A20. I do like driving. It's one of those life's pleasures that are simple, and I like it when it's less congested, obviously, as we all do. Just take a junction ahead. So all the while I'm unable to get up to somewhere like Scotland, where I'd love to do a whole batch of drives. That would be great. Just fill the channel with like 10 drives. I will do one day. But for now I can just do these little routes. Still doing 60. Okay, we're dropping into a 50 zone now. Unless I missed the 50. I was pretty sure we were in the national speed limit. Certainly 50 now though. Bend in the road, reduce speed now. It's one of those rainy weeks we've had, but it looks like it's trying to clear up. Road narrows ahead, bends in the road. Junction on the left, entering a 40 zone. Accompanied horses. Bend on the right, still accompanied horses. Bend, junction on the right, I meant. It's always good to just look at those road signs, even just to give them a glimpse, because they tell you the lay of the land, let you know what's happening on this particular road at this particular time. Right, we're entering into Alkham, and it's a 30 mile an hour zone, so we'll drop down that speed. To the annoyance of the car behind, but hey ho. Man with dog. Bends in the road. Playground and a crossroads ahead. There is an accompanied horse. There's two of them. A pony. Not often you see an accompanied horse when there are signs that tell you there are accompanied horses. Stagger junction ahead. Back into a 40 zone. Thank you for driving carefully. Did my best. Field over there, you can't see it on the camera, but 1, 2, 3, about 8 horses in there. Crossroads ahead, reduce speed now. So obviously somewhere around here there are stables and things, hence the accompanied horses, right? Nice little drive through the Alkham Valley. I probably said that already. How many times have I said that in this video? Slippery surface. We are in a 50 zone. I'm currently doing 40. Because that's what happens when you get stuck behind somebody. Oh, more accompanied horses with bends in the road. It's all happening on this road, isn't it? Into Temple Ewell. That's where I wanted to stop, so 30 miles an hour. Trying to avoid the uneven surface. Traffic lights ahead. Abbey Road on the right. I'm going to stop inside here because we are in Temple Ewell, aren't we? So let's stop in Kearsney Abbey car park just to end the video. Woohoo! I'm not getting out the car. I just wanted to stop the video, and because I've got one more planned while I'm out. So yeah, stay tuned. More videos to come. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Drive with care.